Good morning, roadies. Sunday, October 1st, I believe. Wow, time fly, huh? Yep, October 1st, time fly around here. All right, it's Sunday, 10 o'clock in the morning, and I got my first call today, so I'm going no heat. Complaint is the furnace going on and off, on and off, on and off, and so he want me to check it out, see what's going on. It could be the filter, you know. Dirty filter, it will cause the limit switch to open, and also it could be the cat cell. So I don't know. We got to figure it out when we get there. So stay tuned. So stay tuned. Coming up. Got it real here. It's OH6.
Okay, it's at 80 right now.
80 right now? Okay. See, waiting for this thing to go on. You only got one thermostat in the house?
Yes, we do.
It's only one, right?
Yeah, only one thermostat. Yeah.
This is one of those. OH6. Could be a loose thermostat wire. RW. Got to rewind it.
You need more light over here, do you?
No, it's not. I'm good.
Okay. That's what it does. It goes on, comes off, goes on, off, on.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Let me check your thermostat up there.
Okay.
Can you show me what's your thermostat?
Yep. Okay.
Because I just jumped it and then right away went on, so it doesn't get the signal from the thermostat. Let's see.
Right here. It was working last night,
Yeah.
and then it didn't work this morning at all. came on again and then it just went off.
It went off again, yeah.
Yeah.
It's something to do with the thermostat. See that? Yeah, something to do with the thermostat. It's not making it. We lower it down over here and find out what. Yeah. Let me take this thing off. Probably it's like a broken wire there inside there. So let me do that. Put this over here. Whoa. The W wire was loose on the board. So let's try it one more time, see what happens. But yeah, the board, the wire was loose on the board. So let's try this, if it is do the trick. I think that was the problem. That loose wire down there. Running. Stay on, huh? That loose wire over here, yeah, I tied that thing up and stay on now. Fan is on.
Yeah.
Easy fix.
What do you think it was?
That loose wire in the board.
Yeah.
There was a wire there, was loose.
That's what you think it was.
Yeah, that's the problem. Yeah, that was the problem.
And what would that would cause it to either.
Oh, here you have it, guys. There was a loose wire there. W on the board, it was loose. It wasn't making that contact. That's why it was giving like an on and off. Then you just stay with the screwdriver and boom, he was done. So let's go to the next one. Peace.